Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Sony Ult Field 7.
A powerhouse portable speaker designed for those who love big sound and robust features. We'll cover everything from its design to performance, so stay tuned.
Let's start with the design.
The Sony Ult Field 7 comes in a form factor that's a bit unconventional for a portable speaker. It can either sit horizontally or stand vertically, resembling something akin to a modern ashtray in its vertical position. However, its build is undeniably durable, featuring integrated carry handles and an IP67 rating, making it waterproof and dustproof. So, whether you're at a beach party or a rainy barbecue, this speaker is up to the challenge.
Moving on to features, this speaker packs quite a punch.
It boasts 2 tweeters and 2 woofers, delivering powerful bass and clear highs.
One standout feature is the ULT sound presets. Offering deep bass adjustments with ULT1 and punchier bass with ULT2, catering perfectly to different music genres and party atmospheres. Additionally, it supports Bluetooth 5.2 with LDAC for high-quality wireless streaming. Along with a 3.5mm aux-in and microphone, guitar input for added versatility. Let's talk about the sound quality, which is where the Ult Field 7 truly shines.
Despite its focus on bass-heavy tracks, it manages to maintain a balanced audio profile suitable for various music genres. Vocals are clear, even at higher volumes, and the speaker performs admirably outdoors, cutting through ambient noise with ease. Whether you're playing energetic tracks or listening to podcasts, the sound remains crisp and enjoyable. In terms of usability, the Ult Field 7 offers a mixed bag.
While the physical controls are intuitive and well-placed,
the Sony Music Center app leaves much to be desired with its outdated interface and occasional connectivity issues. However, most settings can be adjusted directly on the speaker itself, minimizing the need for frequent app use. Battery life is another strong suit, with the speaker boasting up to 30 hours of playtime on a single charge.
And quick charging capabilities that provide 3 hours of playback with just a 10-minute charge.
It supports multi-point pairing, allowing seamless switching between devices, which is a handy feature for social gatherings.
So, should you consider investing in the Sony Ult Field 7? If you prioritize impressive sound quality and durability over aesthetic appeal and app functionality, this speaker won't disappoint. It's built to handle outdoor environments and deliver a powerful audio experience, making it ideal for parties and gatherings. That wraps up our review of the Sony Ult Field 7. Despite a few drawbacks,
it's a solid choice for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor entertainment experience with booming sound and reliable performance.
If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product critiques and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.